install MongoDB, we have to go to the Google and type MongoDB database and then just click on the first link. In this website, go to the software menu and click on Community Server. After clicking that, you will get a window like this. In this window, just select on the download button and the download will get started. So when the download finished, just open this .msi file and it will start the installation process. Click on the next window, then select I accept and then next, then click on complete. Then you have to select the first radio button, run as a network service. Click next. Then you have to click on install MongoDB Compass. It's a front-end tool, so click next and install. This will take some time to install it, so kindly patient and wait for the installation to be completed. When it gets complete, you will see a window like this. And your MongoDB Compass has been installed. This is just the introduction. Just click on the next. And keep clicking on next. Finished. Just explain you what this tool can do. So after finishing all this, you will get a window like this. You have to check all these checkboxes and click on start using Compass. Now this is a front end. Just click on the connect button and you can see there are 3 databases already installed: admin, config and local. Finish this one off. That's the whole process. Thank you guys, and do subscribe and like my video. Thank you.